Hey YouTube, Big Bivs here with another review. Today I'm going to be doing the Spyder Vector paintball gun. I bought this gun at my local paintball store, Bandit Paintball, for $70. I really like this gun, but to get the hopper I wanted, I had to get this adapter for it. Hopper's over there. I don't really like the trigger, it's not that sensitive, but I like the gun. This is a speedball gun again. Yeah, there's not really much else to say about these type of guns. There's one more thing for the back. To get the CO2 tank in, it's kind of hard. Semi-automatic. Complaint is I don't like that there's nothing to hold on to up here. So yeah. Hold on a second. I got something you guys might want. I have a never been used Tippman 16-inch sniper barrel for 98 custom and custom pro guns. Brand new, never been used. I got it for Christmas present from my, I don't know who I got it from, but I don't have a Tippman gun. So if anyone would like to buy it, just offer me something. I'll pretty much go, I don't know, just give me an offer. This will be my first sale, so Tippman can come in this. It's never been used again. So subscribe. Please comment or message me for this barrel. Thanks, guys.